Hey guys, it's Isabelle. Welcome to or back to my channel. For today's video, I will be reviewing some Glossier products. I'm super excited because I ordered them. I've been watching a lot of videos and trying to see if I wanted to invest my money in it, and I did, and I picked up two of their items, the Boy Brow and the Cloud Paint, and I'm super excited to be reviewing them and showing you guys what I think. This is also first impression. I haven't used them, so this is just my reaction. Okay, so when you first receive the box, it has a little tape that says Glossier right here, and then when you open the box up, it's nice and pink. It's really cute. I love their packaging, and it says skin first, makeup second, smile always. And then it comes with these these stickers, and they're just, you know, cute little stickers. I like that too. And then this is the actual packaging of what I got. It's really cute. It's like a Ziploc bag, and it's like bubble wrapped, and it feels really nice. I don't know, it's good quality, so there's that. Okay, first off, I look like a boy. What's new? But first I'm going to be taking my BB cream by Tarte and just putting that a little bit on my face so that we can give this thing a fair shot of what I think. You know? I have my wet beauty blender now, and I'm just blending that all in. Get some concealer. Sorry, I can't see, my mirror's like over here. But it's good. Then going back in with my beauty blender. Now it's time. I already put foundation on and concealer and then I set my face. So now it's time for the other stuff. So this is, again, the packaging. It's pink and it has like Ziploc up here. It's super cute. It's really good packaging. So far I'm very impressed. And then when you open it up, they give you your little items. And what I'll be reviewing today is the Cloud Paint, Glossier Cloud Paint, and I got the shade Dusk. It's super cute, comes in this like little box. I think this retails for like $16 or $18, I don't know. Like one of them is one or the other. And it's just like this little tube. It's super cute packaging, and I like the fact that it's like they're calling it paint. It looks like paint. I don't know, it's really cute. And then I'll also be reviewing the Glossier Boy Brow, and I have mine in the shade Brown because I have brown hair. Done. And it comes in this little box, and it's like this little white tube. A little bit about this brand, if you haven't heard of them, they are cruelty free, and their biggest thing, like it said on the packaging, is skin first, makeup second. So all these products are not going to be like super intensely pigmented and all that stuff. Like they're just worried about your skin first, and like you can enjoy a natural look also with like their makeup. So first I'm going to go in with the Cloud Paint. Paint Cloud. And then I'm going to take a little bit on my finger. I opened it and it exploded on me already. I've heard a lot about that though, so. And then I'll just be putting that on my cheek and using my finger to blend. Now I kind of, wow, that's really nice. Yeah, I put way too much on. Don't mind me. But like it's not like taking any of that makeup off really in that area. I think I'm going to go in with my beauty blender here soon because this is a mess. That was way too much. I mean, it's really easy to blend with your finger. I'll give it that, but like, I don't know. It kind of came out really messy. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I actually am kind of enjoying the way it like looks. It's super subtle. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in so that you could kind of see more of what it looks like. Like, as you can see, it's like this really pretty, like, rosy pink color. And it's, you know, it's not, like, too intense. It's just, like, gives a little bit of life to your face. I really, really like it. It's really natural. It blended pretty easily. I did get a lot out, but, you know, it works. Okay, now moving on to the Glossier Boy Brow. I've heard so much about this, and I'm sure most of you have. Everyone raves about this, so I'm a little excited. I need another mirror. Okay. Alright, here we go. I don't know. Oh, I know what that is. I was like, it smells like the Too Faced chocolate bar, but that's because this palette sits like right on top of that. And when I opened it to use the mirror, it smelled like that. Okay. First, I just, whoa. That's like a lot of pigment. Like brushing through them. But it's like, ugh, I hate the feeling of like gels like this, you know? It's so wet and I feel like it's not even getting on my little hairs. I mean, I do notice a difference between like my first, like this eyebrow and the other one. It's like a lot darker and more intense. But like I wish that you can control the, like, I don't know, like it's literally like a slicked back little thing. I wish I could like texturize this more. I don't know, control what it looks like more. But it's kind of that thing where it's like the more you like mess around with it, the worse it's gonna look. Whatever. Okay, so we're just gonna stop here before I make it worse. So this is the eyebrow without, and this is the eyebrow with. I do agree, like, I like it. I mean, I'm still not the biggest fan of, like, these weird gel thingies. But I really like the way it looks. I think it's pretty natural. And, you know, easy. It's like one step instead of having to do so many, you feel? Okay, this is going better than the other one. Maybe it's just because, like, the first little dunk or, like, scoop or thing was super gooey and pigment. I don't know. But, like, I already like this better on this eyebrow. Now I can just bring them back. Yeah, so this one I think is obviously darker. But I think that's just because it's that was the first one I did. But yeah, these are the brows. I actually really like them. They're like natural, but they're filled in. And I have my brows on. Okay, so I'm back and I just finished the rest of my makeup. I just put on a little highlight and mascara. I'm trying to make this pretty natural look because I don't have too much to do today, but you know. So, the final verdict of these is I actually really love them. This was so, it's so pretty and natural. I'm in love, and I've never used a cream blush before. I've always used, like, a powder or something like that, but I've never used this, and I really enjoyed it. I think that they have pretty good price points, and it turned out well, and obviously they care about your skin, so it's not going to go, like, mess up and break you out or anything, hopefully. But I really like this, and I love the color, and I would definitely, I'm probably going to repurchase it, but in a different color. So I really enjoyed that. And then the Boy Brow, I really, really enjoyed this too. I've heard a lot of great things about it, and overall, it filled in my eyebrows, it made them a little darker, and it kind of, it has gel in it, so it keeps them in place, which I really liked, and it's not too intense, but I mean, it's more than my natural brows, which I also like. So, I really enjoyed these products, and hopefully in the future I will be trying and expanding on more of their products, and maybe going in with different colors and other things. But other than that, I really enjoyed this little video, and I enjoyed reviewing these and just telling you guys what I think of them. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. I really enjoyed filming this video with you guys, and I kind of liked doing something a little bit different. I haven't reviewed any products before, and I hope this was really helpful for you guys, and thanks for watching.